Everyone, welcome back to ICSE Easy Learn. And of course, I have told you that we will be completing our North America chapter in smaller sections, in smaller divisions. We'll be completing. So today we have started the political divisions, and we are just going to complete these political divisions and start the important cities of North America. So without wasting time, let's get started. So probably we are going to take a close look to the political divisions. So the first point and the main point is it occupies more than 3/4 of the total area. So it occupies more than 3/4 of the total area. Who occupy 3/4 of the total area? In North America, there is a country named USA, United States of North America. This country occupies more than 3/4 of the total area. Now, the second point is the south of the Tropic of Cancer. In the south side of the Tropic of Cancer, the continent North America becomes narrow. Likewise, this is North America. Here is the Tropic of Cancer. And from the south of this Tropic of Cancer, you can see that this becomes narrower. So now the third point is given that some of the countries are given which form the Central America. So the countries are Belize, El Salvador, Honduras, Nicaragua, Costa Rica, Panama, and 2-3 more countries are there which forms the Central America. The fourth point is Greenland. Greenland is geographically a part of North America. Geographically, Greenland is a part of North America, but officially it belongs to Denmark. Okay. Now, if we are talking about the Central America, then we should not leave West Indies in between. So there are some tropical islands. There is Caribbean Sea, and in the Caribbean Sea there are some some islands are there, some tropical islands are there, and that tropical islands made West Indies. So the countries that are included in West Indies are Cuba, Jamaica, Dominican Republic, Haiti, Puerto Rico, and there are a few other countries which made West Indies. Now there are some of the islands in the north, means some of the islands are located here in the northern part of North America also. So such as the Baffin Island is there, Victoria Island is there, Ellesmere Island is there, and we can see that there are big snow covered islands. Okay, and one of the biggest snow covered is Greenland. Greenland is the largest island, and after Greenland the largest island is Newfoundland. Okay, now moving on to the fifth point, it is the Aleutian Islands. There are Aleutian Islands in the northwest coast, means here are the Aleutian Islands. Now they appear to extend along like a chain between the continents like Asia and North America. So here is, I have told you, okay, through map I will be showing you all these 3 points. Last 3 points I can show you from the map. Okay. Leaving the first point, all other points we can take from the map. So let's see from map. Okay, so this is the map, and first of all we are going to take about this USA. So as in the map only we can see that USA occupy more area as compared to the other countries. So it occupies 3/4 of the area. Then the next point we have to see in the map is the countries in the in the Central America. So here are these countries. See, Belize is written, Honduras is written, Nicaragua is written, Saint Rose is written, and El Salvador, which I have told you all are written here. Panama is also here, Panama City, and all others are also present here. So this is the whole of Central America. Now talking about the West Indies, we are talking, they are in the Caribbean Sea. So as you can see here, Caribbean Sea is written. So the countries which are located near the Caribbean Sea are West Indies. This is an island, and this island, whole island countries are known as the West Indies. So they include Cuba, Havana, and you can see Haiti is written, and Dominican Republic is also here. Santo Domingo is also there. See here it's written it is very small. Okay, let me zoom this. So I hope this is clear to you. Okay, now coming on to the next point. Now I have come to the northern part of North America, and you can see this is the here Aleutian Islands. It is written here. Okay, let me change the color. Okay, so here Aleutian Islands. So ये क्या है, चेन लाइक स्ट्रक्चर हैं, चेन लाइक आइलैंड्स हैं जो कि क्या करते हैं, ज्वाइन करते हैं एशिया को, मतलब कि एक चेन टाइप स्ट्रक्चर है, आइलैंड है जो एशिया और नॉर्थ अमेरिका के बीच में है. सो यू हैव टू लर्न द नेम, एंड यू कैन सी हेयर दिस इज ग्रीनलैंड. It is geographical, it is a part of North America because they have same geographical features, but here it's written Denmark, means officially this is a part of the country Denmark. And one more island is there after Greenland. Greenland is the largest island, and after that there comes Newfoundland. So Newfoundland is here. This is the island, Newfoundland Island. So I hope this is clear to you. Now moving on forward. Okay, so now one table is given. Here important countries of North America are given. So these are the countries and here are the capitals. So these are the important, they are not the all countries, but some of the important countries and their capitals are given. So you can learn them from here. Okay, now let's move on forward about important cities of North America. Okay, so now we are going to start the important cities of North America. So the first important city of North America is Washington DC. So this city in the District of Columbia is the capital of USA. This is the capital of USA and it is located in the District of Columbia. And this is a symbol of unity, history and democracy. The plan of the city was prepared by the architect. Like Chandigarh in India is planned, well prepared for the for its structure by the architects. Likewise, Washington DC is also prepared by an architect named Perry Charles L. Infant. So you have to learn this name. This is very important and can come in the exam. So for the first president of the USA, George Washington, and it is named after the first president of USA named George Washington. So from there the name is derived, Washington DC. Now this city, Washington DC, lies along the banks of river Potomac in the northeast. In the northeast of this country, sorry, in the northeast of the city lies the Potomac River. So on the banks of this river it is located. Okay, so now at the city center lies the USA Capitol on the hill along the White House. So here it's also located the USA Capitol on the hill, and there is also located the White House. White House, Supreme Court, the other government buildings and many more other government buildings located there, and such as the Library of Congress is the, you can say it is the government building, Library of Congress, and Jefferson Monument, Ford's Theater is also located here. Now let me show you the White House, how White House looks. So this is how White House looks. Here the president gives the speech and all other things. और जिसे हम हिंदी में कह सकते हैं कि यहीं पे वो लोगों को संबोधित करते हैं, यहीं पे प्रेस होती है and everything. Okay, so in this video up to here only we will do. Rest of the important cities we will do in the next video, because otherwise this video will be too long. So take care, bye bye, and also many of you have not subscribed the channel, so do subscribe.